This video will show you how to install MaceratingFlo upflush toilet system step by step. Before beginning, please check the package to verify that all components are present. To install this toilet system, you will need these tools. Ensure the drainage system, water supply valve, and GFCI outlet for the pump are ready before starting. Here's a quick look at the pump kit size. Flip the pump upside down and attach the floor mounting brackets to the bottom with screws. Move the pump to install location and mark the holes. Drill 2 small holes. Then secure the pump with number 8 Phillips pan head screws. Connect the water inlet with a hose and secure it with clamps. Each inlet fits NPS 1-inch or 1 1/4-inch pipe. It can connect to a sink or shower to suit your setup. Both the left and right inlets include built-in check valves to prevent backflow. For any unused inlets, seal it with a stopper plug. For 750-watt model, a 4th inlet is available on the top. Cut and connect as needed. Next, connect the discharge elbow to the sewage outlet. By default, it fits 1-inch PVC pipe. Trim it to fit 1 1/4-inch pipe, as shown by the change in diameter. The elbow will fit both pipe sizes to suit your needs. The pump comes with activated carbon for odor control, or you can connect ventilation ducts for exhaust. Make sure all inlets are either connected or sealed. There are 2 extension pipes available for you to choose. Then connect the toilet to the pump, based on the bowl's position. Mark the points on each side. Once done, move the toilet bowl aside. Drill 2 holes. Then hammer in the anchors. Now, it's time to connect the toilet. Align with the marks. Then secure the clamp. Now take the screw and plastic washer and tighten them to secure the toilet bowl. Once secured, cover with the cap. Next, connect the tank to toilet bowl. Insert the bolt and cone washer into the tank's mounting holes. Then secure them with metal washers and nuts. For convenience, you can install the water supply line now. This line is not included in the package. Carefully place the tank down and put the gasket onto the flush valve nut. Attach the tank to toilet bowl. Place the rubber washer, metal washer, and wing nut in order from the bottom, tightening them by hand first. Then use a wrench to firmly secure the tank to the bowl. Check the toilet tank with a level to ensure it's perfectly even. Insert the flush lever into the left hole of the tank. Place the positioning rubber into the hole and adjust it for a correct fit. Secure the lever arm by tightening the rubber washer and plastic nut. Attach the chain from the flapper to the lever arm. Then test the flush lever to ensure it's functioning properly. Once everything is working, cover the tank lid. Let's install the toilet seat. Begin by removing the bracket from the seat. Align the bracket correctly with the mounting hole. Insert the expansion bolts into the holes and adjust the position of the bracket. Tighten the screws to secure the bracket. Push the toilet seat forward, keeping it parallel, and slide it into the bracket. Once you hear a click, the seat is securely installed. Then make sure the seat is properly aligned with the bowl. Your toilet system is fully set up and ready to test. Connect the water supply. Now plug in the pump and turn on the water supply to test the flush. Ensure everything is working perfectly. No leaks, no backflow. You're all set to enjoy your new toilet.